Alright, I'm at Northwest University, and this is going to be Northwest University curb repairs. And I'm over here by the chapel and that pedestrian area that we're going to be doing all that asphalt work. But right above that pedestrian area in the parking lot, there's an 8-foot piece of curb that needs to be fixed. So we'll remove 8 feet right here of curbing and get it replaced. 6 by 8. For reference, you've got the Barton building there. You've got the chapel here over to my right. You've got that curb that's right there. You got the ball field that's right up above. Then over by the chapel, you've got a 2-foot piece of curb that's busted. And there's the piece of curb that's busted right there. Really, I mean, it could just be re-glued and pushed back, but we'll just replace it. That's 2 feet there. This is the Barton building right there. And then you've got the chapel, which is on my right. Then at the end of the south end of the chapel parking lot, you've got a 75-foot piece of curb down at the very end. And that's right here. You've got the Barton building off to your right. And you've got this face of curb right here. The front part is good. It's the back part of this that's not good. So we'll leave the new curb that's on the front section of this island, but we'll end up doing the back side of it. So there's the new curb right there in the front. We will cut it, remove it, take all this curbing out around the island, and then tie it in right here in the front. Up here at the Barton building, we've got some more curb here. From the end, we've got this piece right here that needs to be removed and replaced, which is 15 feet. Takes you up to the next joint, which is up by the fire hydrant there. So I mean, I'm going to add on some more. I was going to go to there, but let's say this is 20 feet. We're going to go 20 feet of curb here, up to the fire hydrant and back to there. That's one piece here at the Barton building. And then on the complete opposite side, we've got some more curb, as well as up here in the middle. Okay, so we just came in from this southeast end of the Barton building, and you've got the first island that we've got needs to be replaced. So we would start from there at the joint, go all the way around, and replace 10 feet of 6 by 8. So looking at the Barton building here, which is in that bright yellow, number 17, it'll be right in the center where there's a gap in the parking stall. So you've got 20 feet there at the very end that we looked at, 10 feet that we just looked at right now. Then we're going to look at 10 feet of curbing and 8 feet of curbing at the far end. So looking at that map where we've got the 10 feet and the 8 feet, there's your 10 feet right here on the corner. Got the Barton building here to your left. So you got 10 feet there. Then we've got 8 feet here where we'll go from the joint and make our way around to the other joint. And then there's actually one more area here of 8 feet, and the joint will start, let's see, where can we start here? Oh, looks pretty messed up. We're going to do this whole front piece. So we're going to go from back here at that joint, take this all out around the corner, and go to that joint. Alright, so we're going to end up taking out 15 feet of curb here at the far end of the building. And that is going to be approximately right here at the corner of the building, at the Barton building. So 15 feet there. Alright, those are all the curb repairs. And we'll do this as a separate quote, separate mobilization. Any questions, let me know.